Okay, here it is. Same day as the last video, and you know, this is what happens when you've got extreme pressure over the artificial, you know, chemically induced clouds, if you can call them that. You know, and when the sun is actually, you know, when it's on you without clouds in the way, oof, it was burning hot. Really hot, like an Indian summer, and this is the result of the chemical mess. Is we've got strong winds and it looks like a storm incoming, very windy. Yeah, so maybe a storm tonight. You know, it's on the way. So there you go. That's what we get. We get storms because of these fucking scientists meddling. And furthermore, I should talk about it a little bit. Is you know, CERN or whatever, NextRad, HARP, you know, all that malarkey. Yeah. Okay, the sun is local, right? It's a local phenomenon, right? It's probably, you know, it's interdimensional. It's always the same distance away from us. We can't get near it. If you try and go towards it, it will just be the same distance away because it's hyperdimensional, right? So they've been meddling. I don't know. There's other people's videos with like a diamond sun, a square sun. I videoed a winged sun. So I think they've been meddling a bit, and who knows? Maybe they've broken it. Maybe they tried to make it cooler, but instead they made it hotter. Who knows? So that's why they're not saying anything, because you know, they're responsible for all the climate change. You know, it's not for CO2 from the cars. It's complete bollocks, right? Or, you know, and carbon monoxide or whatever. It's not. It's exaggerated on that. You know, because after all, CO2 makes all the trees and plants green. Okay, so it's not the average person driving their car around. Okay, so there you go. So I don't know, is this what summer's going to look like? It's just going to be mostly cloudy, stormy. You know, I can't even enjoy a swim in the sea. I can't enjoy going in the pool. You know, you need the full sun on you for that. So I'm coughing too much. Right, that's it.